Morning guys, it's day 2 of my trip to Nice, and today I am going to Monte Carlo in Monaco. Let's go! So using Nice as base, you can explore so many different towns nearby. So my first stop today is the village, and I took the tram number L2 and got off at the Le Chateau. And from here, I'm going to take the bus number 82 and head over to the village. Alright guys, so I finally reached my bus stop from where I'm going to catch my bus and head over to Is. The only thing worth noting over here is that the buses don't operate very frequently, so if you're heading over to Is via the bus number 82, then do check your timings, because the buses have a frequency of about 2 hours, which is not ideal, but you know, I'm sure it's worth it. Oh my gosh guys, how beautiful were those views. I mean, taking the bus number 82 was so worth it. I managed to reach here in just 1.5 euros thanks to this ticket, which is valid for 75 minutes. And one quick tip guys, when you take the bus number 82 to Is village, try and grab a seat on the right hand side, because the views are all on the right. So I saw the maps and I thought, that's it, right side, but it is fairly crowded, so just try and get on the bus as soon as you can. Guys, even if you have a car, I would suggest take the bus, because the parking space is quite limited here. I mean, it's literally just this. So do take the bus, because it just gives you more freedom. I'm just walking through the medieval village of Ez. The streets are like literally an art gallery. There's so many things, there's paintings, there's studios. It's just really beautiful. I came across this beautiful art studio and I met Michel.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hello.
So he's a painter and I just saw some of his work. Would you like to tell us something about your work and how you paint?
Yeah, I paint here on the place since 18 years ago now. My family was painter also. I'm the third generation.
Wow.
Painting in the village here. And yes, see my work behind me. This is my father in Paris, and yeah, he started in 1955 in Paris, and later he came back to Ez. His mother painted also there. Since yes, we live in the village and travel a lot.
Wow.
Around the world and come back always to Ez. Yeah, it's very vibrant painting. I mean, you can see the color is very vibrant. And you see my palette also here behind, standing in paint.
Wow.
You see the mountain there?
This is gorgeous.
And on the wall behind is my car.
Alright guys, so that was Michel. He's a painter and I was just in awe of all his paintings. That I bought one painting and I'll leave the information of his studio down in the description below. So if you ever come to the Ez village, do check out his studio. He's a super cool guy and yeah, he paints. Alright guys, next stop, the Fragonard Perfumery. Alright guys, so I couldn't go to the perfumery because I hadn't booked my tour, but I did get myself a little treat. So the Chanel No. 5 was actually born in the Ez village, and I bought the Emily perfume, which has one of the ingredients of Chanel. So I've always wanted the Chanel No. 5, which is super famous, but I actually got the original one, so I'm really happy with that. Now I'm on my way to Monte Carlo and I'm on my bus, the bus number 82, and yeah, so let's go. So I just got off the Ez bus stop and now I'm heading towards my train station to go to Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo. Guys, did you know that Monaco is actually the second smallest country in the world? In fact, it is so small that it is smaller than the Central Park in New York. Also, did you know that Monaco is home to 12,000 billionaires in less than 1 square mile? Also, did you know that Monaco has 1 police officer for every 100 people? I came across a really ironic fact that the citizens of Monaco, which is a place famous for its casinos, are actually forbidden by law for gambling. Also, it might interest you to know that Monaco has the highest average life expectancy in the entire world at the age of 85.6 years. Monaco has 0 poverty rate. Alright guys, so after I got done checking out the Monte Carlo casino, I was just walking around and I came across this spectacular view. Check this out. Alright guys, so when I saw that view, I thought it would be nice to see it from the top. So I found a spot which I'm just hiking to. I'm kind of out of breath already, but I know it's going to be so worth it. Alright guys, so I just stopped to catch my breath, but I've only seen half of the view now. There's only halfway more. It's got to go right over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, looks like I've made it. Yay! Achievement! Alright guys, it's day 3 of my trip to Nice and my last day here. In fact, I've only got 2 hours left, so I thought, why not make the most of it? And I found this great boulangerie in Nice, so I'm just walking towards it and hoping to have some great breakfast and checking out a new cafe. So I came across this amazing cafe called Boulangerie Genon. It's behind me, and you can get some amazing food here. It's got amazing vegetarian options as well, and it is recommended by the locals. I actually asked the guys at my hotel that I've got 2 hours left, what do I do? So they told me, go to this cafe, hands down, it's the best food you'll ever have. So yeah, I totally recommend them. And I'll leave the link to their Instagram down here below, so if you want to check it out, you know, go for it. It is really good, guys. Alright guys, so I had a fabulous time in Nice. I'm taking back so many memories and it was literally the best trip of my life. I'm so glad that I actually celebrated my 30th like this in a wonderful place like Nice. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!